Have you ever wondered how technology could enhance your camping experience and safety? Today, we're diving into an innovative solution that combines the thrill of camping with the convenience of technology. Imagine having a personal AI camping assistant on your laptop that could summon emergency aid when needed. This could transform your camping trips, combining adventure with an added layer of safety. Now let's break down how to set this up. First off, you need to choose an AI assistant software that's compatible with your laptop and has features suitable for outdoor use. Options range from popular virtual assistants like Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa to specialized camping apps designed for emergencies. Once you've made your selection, it's time to download and install the software on your laptop. Stick to the installation instructions from the software provider to ensure a smooth setup process. Now we move on to customizing emergency aid commands. It's crucial to configure the AI assistant to recognize specific commands related to emergency situations. Phrases like emergency help, call for assistance, or summon help can be set to trigger the emergency aid summoning feature. The next step is to integrate location services on your laptop. This allows the AI assistant to access your current GPS coordinates in an emergency. This crucial information enables emergency responders to locate you quickly and accurately. Before you head out into the wilderness, test the emergency aid feature. A simulated emergency scenario will help you verify whether the feature works correctly, and that help can indeed be summoned effectively. Next up is setting up emergency contacts. Configure the AI assistant to automatically contact designated emergency contacts when an emergency aid command is activated. Input relevant contact information for swift communication in urgent situations. Now that you're all set up, it's time to practice emergency protocols. Familiarize yourself with how the AI camping assistant functions in emergency situations. Make sure you know how to swiftly and efficiently activate the emergency aid feature when needed. Lastly, ensure your laptop has a stable internet connection or access to mobile data. This connectivity is essential for seamless communication with emergency services through the AI assistant. By following these steps, you can set up an AI camping assistant with the capability to summon emergency aid. This brings an extra layer of safety and security to your outdoor adventures. However, while technology is a valuable tool in emergencies, always have a backup plan and be prepared for unforeseen circumstances. So stay safe, stay prepared, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing help is just a voice command away.